This video tutorial demonstrates the local usage of TVB and NEST simulators. We recommend that you download our Docker image. You can find the sources on GitHub at this URL. You should make a local clone of this repository. We have already done so for this video. Make sure that in a local copy of the Docker file, the command to launch Jupyter Notebook is uncommented, and bind port 8888 from inside the container to a local host port. Then launch the Docker to run the container. Alternatively, use Docker Hub in this command. You should be able to see in the container logs that the notebook is running. In a browser on your machine, access localhost with the port 8888. Password is set to TVB42. Navigate to Folder Packages, then TVB Multiscale, TVB_NEST, Examples and Notebooks. Open the available notebook and work with it as you would a regular Jupyter notebook. This notebook will be opened. The notebook demonstrates the usage of the TVB-NEST package via a simulation in which Wang models with an excitatory and an inhibitory population are used for the TVB region nodes. Two region nodes are modeled in NEST as networks of spiking neural populations, an excitatory and an inhibitory one using the GIF_COND_EXP model. A realistic cortical TVB large-scale connectivity is used and can be found in the TVB data GitHub repo.